with you.
Yo estoy grabando.
Uh-huh. So guys, my name is Marwa. Hey,
My name is Mia.
Yeah.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
Her name is Nia. She speaks Spanish, nearly 100%. So you're gonna be catching up with us. We're going to the city. We are in Cancun. The solar is really high. You know, you can see that. It's like it's super not really hot. Actually, it's raining and cutting off and everything. So we're going to the city. We wanna explore the city with you guys. I hope you guys check Nia's YouTube channel. You see what she does. She joined me here in Cancun so that we could make a lot of collabo videos and film and also explore Cancun. So that's what we want to do, guys, okay? So we're just leaving the house. We're walking in the street. This is how the streets looks like, you know. Yeah. What is that? So. Oh. So yesterday we got lost. So we're trying to map the areas where we can always remember the direction, you know. And that's the busy roads. Hey, we go like this, Nia? Like this? So we are trying to mark where we live because we live towards those directions over there. And we are trying to mark so that when we come back home we can easily remember. Yeah, so hope you give the video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Maybe the voice will be bad because the environment is not controlled. Yeah, and should give it a like, okay? Yeah, and check. Hey, saludos. Yeah, you don't hear she's a vlogger. So, and con esto. So we're exploring the city. So far so good, not bad. And I'm having a very big camera. I hope the voice is good, you know, because there's a lot of wind around me. ¿Tú no quieres foto aquí? Es buen lugar. Okay. Hey. So we're having lunch here, me and my friend Nia. So, you know, the funny thing is, these menus, they come in Spanish. They're all in Spanish. So everything is like tortilla, que otro. Like it's purely Spanish. So, and very honestly, I think people believe like Mexican food is like #1. But I believe Colombian food is the best, right?
Sí.
You know, here they give you like small foods, like maybe tortillas, you know, very small, like you have to eat like, you eat one, you finish, take another one. But in Colombia they give you like this great plate and it has like everything. It has like rice, beans, beef, juice, like it's just, you know. So here is just más o menos. But we love it, you know, when you travel. The good thing is you experience different. Yeah, we have a list. Yeah. He's asking us where you're from. Okay. Gracias. Okay. Yeah, he was inviting us. And that's how they pick you from the streets. They pick you when you are walking. Like, you see that girl over there? She's waiting for a customer. So when you walk in the streets, they come and tell you, hey, do you want to eat with us? We have like good meals. Yeah. Not too. She's checking these stuffs right here. So they offer tours, you know. So you can go to Tulum. But I'll take you to Tulum, you know. Yeah. We have Tulum right there. Musa, I don't know where that museum is. Yeah. So it's just good to be in Mexico again. Yeah. But I'll say like Mexico is like my third home. You know, after Kenya and Colombia, then we have Mexico. So please guys, check Nia's YouTube channel, you know. She makes videos, you see.
Right.
Yeah, please subscribe to Nia's YouTube channel. We're trying to get her some new followers. But she speaks Spanish. Maybe she can teach you Spanish. To aprendiendo ellos español.
Cuando hicimos una transmisión, yo les estaba enseñando español. Recuerdan de tener cabello
Short hair. Yeah, she likes hairs of different colors. When I met her, she had like blonde hair. Now she has something different. Yeah, so we are waiting. Cancun.
Pues es que yo estoy haciendo
It's super common here to see people carrying heavy bags because this region, the ROO, it's called Raw region. It's super popular for travelers like worldwide. You may meet people from everywhere in the world in this region. Like them, they look from like Japan. It's super common. You know, there are places like Tulum, Cancun, Playa de Carmen, all of them, Bacalar, they're all in this region. It's super popular just because of travel. just as food. I'm having rice and so I'm having rice, beef. Hey, ¿cómo se llama esta, Nia?
Tomate,
No. Aquí.
guacamole, ensalada.
This is guacamole. ¿Qué es guacamole?
Guacamole es aguacate.
Avocado. Oh. Yeah, you know the Spanish names are really like scary. Avocado, they call it guacamole. So you're like, what's guacamole? And it's just an avocado. Yeah. So, Nia, ¿qué tú tomaste? O ¿qué tú comiste?
Una torta de pollo.
Torta de pollo. ¿Es aquí?
No soy torta.
I don't like.
No sé cómo se dice torta.
And this one estas son
Arepitas, tortillas.
tortillas. Yeah.
Tortillas.
That's not a fly, you know. So those small things, they are called tortillas. You eat them with a rice. You have it and you put inside, you know. Yeah. So guys, we finished touring around. Please ensure you give the video a like. Check Nia's YouTube channel. Nia, say something.
Guys,
Please subscribe to Nia's YouTube channel. Check her out.
bye.
Yeah, she's from Colombia, you know. She's from Colombia, not Mexico. But we're in Cancun. We're shooting this from. Yeah. Yeah. Bye guys. I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you
Bye.
for
Follow. Subscribing.
Gracias por vernos.
Watching us. Yeah, sorry.